Ano ang kaibahan ng GSIS cash payment at GSIS cash surrender value? This is a good question po sa mga GSIS members. Right? Please watch the full video. Sagutin natin ang tanong. Based sa research ko sa website ni GSIS, ang GSIS cash payment po ay ito yung matatanggap natin once we retire. And yung option natin is 18 months. So ang makuha po natin is cash payment na 18 months ng basic monthly pension po natin. Kasi yung 5 years po, lump sum ang tawag. Ayun. On the other hand, GSI's cash surrender value, ito yung cash value of the policy earned during the term of the insurance and is payable to members, less all outstanding obligations when they resign or separate from the service before the maturity date of the insurance policy. Ayun po. So, ang cash surrender value po is yung mga GSIS members po na may LEP or life endowment policy. Yung ELP po, ang tawag niyan is termination value. Ayun po. So, gawan pa natin ng video ito. Next video po natin. If may tanong pa tayo about this cash surrender value. Alright? Keep watching my YouTube channel, friends. Lahat ng mga good question about GSIS, pag-ibig, and other concerns ng mga employees, may good answer po tayo dyan. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.